ఇప్పుడు రేపు రాబోయే రోజుల్లో ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కూడా సత్యకుమార్ గారు హెల్త్ మినిస్టర్ గారు ఏంటంటే అందరికీ యూనిఫామ్ గా పెడదాం. గవర్నమెంట్ హాస్పిటల్స్ హ్యాస్ టు కంపీట్ విత్ ప్రైవేట్ హాస్పిటల్స్. You are giving land, you are having more facilities, more infrastructure, everything is available. ఎందుకు మనం కంపీట్ చేయలేం? అదొక ఛాలెంజ్ గా తీసుకుని మీరు వర్కౌట్ చేయాలి. వాళ్ళకంటే మంచి ప్లేస్లు ఉన్నాయి, ల్యాండ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది, అన్ని ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ ఉంది, అన్ని ఉన్నాయి మనకు. కాబట్టి దాని మీద ఎక్కువ ఫోకస్ చేయండి. విల్ టాక్ క్యారీ ఆన్. ఇది అవుతానే మున్సిపల్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్ కూడా ఇది లింక్డ్ కాబట్టి మున్సిపల్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్, పంచాయత్ రాజ్ వాళ్ళు కూడా చెప్తే 3 లింక్ చేసుకుని మాట్లాడదాం రివ్యూ చేసినప్పుడు. మీరుండండి, మీరు కూడా ఉండండి. క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగినప్పుడు హెల్త్ అండ్ 2 లింక్డ్. పంచాయత్ రాజ్ కూడా హౌసింగ్ కూడా కంప్లీట్ చేయండి.
నమస్కారం సార్.
హౌసింగ్ కావాలంటే నెక్స్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ తీసుకెళ్ళండి. టూరిజం కి ముందు ఇవన్నీ కంప్లీట్ చేయండి.
Yes, sir. Sir, generally, when the collectors in their districts have the experience generally, sir, that by and large they are fully well aware and conversant with the welfare programs and also with the programs in the rural areas, sir. However, sometimes the interaction in the urban areas is confined either to an epidemic or when a cyclone or any other disaster strikes the district, sir, or when any other VIP engagement is there, sir. So that's why I have tried to give a brief, sir, brief overview. If you see, sir, in the state, sir, as per the 2011 census, we have almost 1.5 crore population in the urban areas, and now the households are approximately 45 lakhs. Now the next figure is important, sir. Out of these 45 lakh households, almost 26.7 lakh households have got water tap connections. And similarly, 3.2 lakh households have underground drainage sewerage connections, sir. Out of the almost 7,000 tons per day solid waste generation, sir, 4,100 gets treated and the remaining still needs to be taken up, sir. Similarly, out of the 1,500 MLD liquid waste, 1/3, sir, almost 500 MLD is treated and the remaining is still to be taken up, sir. Just to give the collectors an overview of the general fund collection in the urban areas, sir. My total collection, sir, in last year was, sir, almost 3,460 crore rupees, all the urban local bodies put together, out of which Vizag alone was 983 crore, sir. And the lowest revenue collection is in Nagar Panchayat Alur, sir, which is only 51 lakhs. And out of these 3,460 crores overall, sir, wages alone account for 1,165 crores expenditure and current charges account for another 450 crores. So basically 1,600 crores out of these 3,500 crores is spent only on wages and current charges, sir. So as a result, why I am briefing all this is that because of the position of the general funds in the urban areas, we need to now look for innovative ways of financing projects in the urban areas, which I'll come in the next few slides. Next. Yeah. Honorable CM has very clearly expressed his concern and dismay that whatever good work was done in 2014 to 19 in terms of setting up SOPs, setting up a command and control center and monitoring almost on a real-time basis the spread of diseases, the cleaning of drains, the lifting of garbage, all those systems have now become defunct. And the Honorable Chief Minister has directed us to see to it that in a couple of months, everything is put in position back again. And luckily for us, the Honorable Minister, he already has a good experience in urban development, and he has been monitoring personally on a very regular basis, and he interacts with field staff right up to the end. As a result, now we can see the total, in order to control the seasonal diseases, the immediate tasks are cleaning of